Okay guys, glad you're back home and safe and sound from your dive.
Yeah.
I've got a great plan for tonight. I've got a couple of Hindus friends and they're doing a big festival tonight where they burn a big effigy. It's like about all the Hindu gods and about the king and about
Nice.
good and evil.
What do you think,
It
Felix?
starts about 8 o'clock tonight.
Yeah.
And it's a crazy time,
Sounds
man.
about-
It's crazy. Cool, man.
It's like
good
a
then.
long night.
Let's do
Yeah,
that.
let's
do
go.
that.
Holi tomorrow.
Holi tomorrow.
Holika Dahan today. Today at night.
We'll have a ceremony in different localities. Here in Grongo, we'll have one where we'll burn the Holika, the sister of Hiranyakashipu. So we're gonna celebrate the victory of goodness over evil. So it's the eve of Holi, and tomorrow we're gonna play with colors, celebrate love, happiness, goodness, universality, wisdom, things like that.
How are you?
Hello.
Your wife? No, the other one.
I can't believe it. I'm still getting shivering to hear the bagpipe playing in Mauritius.
Yeah.
It's amazing. We have introduced bagpipes since some years ago.
Okay.
So they like, they do love the bagpipe, and they are interested to join the culture, the tradition, everything.
Having the prayers there, playing the drums over here. It's crazy.
They've just set it on fire. We've been here quite a while, and apparently her head is supposed to topple over, and in the past she's burnt quite quickly. The local folks, they're already gone, which is it's a testament to our persistence. We will not leave you until she falls.
Okay, this is it. We are leaving.
So we're pretty much just walking around the neighborhood, finding people, putting colored stuff all over their faces. Everyone seems to love it. It's pretty fun. So good vibes all around. It seems like a wonderful holiday. I think more countries should celebrate it. So why doesn't he open the window?
Oh,
because he's not silly.
Yeah, he's not silly at all. He'll get paint thrown right at him.
Let's see. Yeah. We're packed.
We're loaded,
locked and loaded. Next time.
Next time.
Next time.
What?